Hello beautiful Italian learners and welcome to Italian with Germana. Indeed, my name is Germana and I teach Italian online. But let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a professional teacher certified to teach Italian as a second language to foreigners, and I was granted the CEDILS certificate by Laboratorio Itals at Università Ca' Foscari in Venezia. My academic background in languages for communication in international enterprises and organizations instead gave me the chance to learn and hone two foreign languages, namely English and Spanish, and to gain a very deep knowledge of what it means to study a language from scratch and have to deal with different ways of living. It also made me understand the beauty behind each culture and develop a sensitive and empathetic approach to different realities. I created this channel to support all the students around the world during their Italian language journey. For this reason, you will mainly find videos on grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, fluency, but also culture, tradition, and fun facts about Italy in the form of video lessons, vlogs, podcasts, but also interviews. My wish is that all these videos will help you improve your knowledge of the Italian language, but also give you a more in-depth overview about Italy and its culture. Please see this channel as a free space for conversation, improvement and personal growth. So always feel free to leave a comment, interact through the community section and share your questions and doubts with me. Never feel insecure about asking. I'm here for this purpose, to support you. So make this beautiful Italian learners community thrive and shine. Thank you for watching this video and I really hope to see you soon on this channel. Ciao!